Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into the exact Roblox account that experienced the issue so the report links to the right profile. Next, gather precise facts: game name, place ID, timestamps, and usernames. Once done, reproduce the bug or behavior just long enough to capture clear screenshots or a short video. Make sure the offending text or action is visible. Then open the in-game Report Abuse button or go to Support and choose the report option to begin filling the form. You now focus on the detailed execution. Pick the most specific report type so reviewers route it correctly. In the description field, explain the how and why in a few clear steps. What you did, what happened, and when. Include device model and OS version. Attach screenshots or video and rename them with date and context for clarity. Make sure to include exact timestamps and any chat logs. Finally, review all fields so there are no missing details before proceeding. You finish by submitting the report and recording the confirmation number so you can reference it later. After submission, monitor the support email and Roblox moderation messages. Responses can take time, so be patient but attentive. If you receive a decision you disagree with or no reply within a reasonable period, prepare a concise resubmission with additional evidence and the original ticket number. Troubleshooting tip: if responses stall, check spam folders and re-upload clearer timestamps and file names before escalating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.